We are going we are going to replace this plug on this lamp. As you can see, it's not very connected, and that's a fire danger. Plus, you can plug it in either way. It's not polarized, so you can plug it in that way or this way. And you can see I got a wiggle the wire for the light to stay on. Now it's off. So this is a replacement one, which is polarized. Which this is a pretty easy fix to do. A pretty quick fix. So just make sure it's unplugged. Strip off your plug, your old plug. You throw that away. And then we're gonna wanna cut these straight. There we go. So now the wires are even and not cut on an angle. And then you want to start separating the wires just a little bit. Pull it apart a little bit. About that much. Now, this should open. Take the screw. Get it to where it can open. There you go. There we go. Take that sticker off. That holds it together, but if we're at the store, we don't need that anymore. You can see we have a brass screw and a silver screw. And brass is the smooth wire is going to go to brass, and one wire and the other wire has like little ribs on it, and that's the wire that's going to go to our silver screw. Our silver screw is our neutral, and our brass screw is our hot or black. Neutral is also white or gray, depending on the voltage system that you're working on. But standard 120 is white, black, bare green, or bare wire, or green. So, let's see, get our wire strippers here. And strip our wires about, I don't know, about that much. And I have a LED bulb in this lamp. This lamp was already fixed. And it came with a heat lamp bulb. And I got it for $3. He wanted 5, but I only had 3 singles, and he said he would take it. Okay, after splitting your wires and stripping them, you want to twist your stranded wire counterclockwise. Alright, clean up our area. Important to keep a clean work area for safety reasons. Plus, it just makes life easier. Alright, now we want our smooth wire. Our smooth wire is the one I already looped. And you want to loop this around clockwise around the screw. So when you tighten it, tighten down the screw, it tightens the wire with it. It doesn't want to come off, like if you put it counterclockwise. And you don't want to put the insulation under the screw, but up to it, just like that, that's perfect. And you don't want the wires pulled apart outside of the plug, so this would be perfect. Now we make a loop. I'm going to strip a little bit more by untwisting that, just a little bit more. Okay, and twist it clockwise, the wires again. This lamp was already fixed with a different switch from the original switch. And old, it's vintage. There we go. And now we want to route these wires in between the screw hole to pinch that shut. Now we can press this down, give it a gentle tap, and screw down our mounting screw. Once we get that started, it may take a few moments to get it down, like it wants to pop out right now. I'm not going to let that happen. So I'm actually going to reverse the screw back out. Use these pliers to hold the crimp down while I attach this and get a better screwdriver with a smaller head Phillips, which I happen to have right here. And now you can see it's almost fully closed. Just a couple more twists. There we go. And you can see that stays in place. Now, if I move you over here, you can see that this is only going to plug in one way. So the large slot goes to the large slot, the little slot goes to the little slot. It will not plug in. That also makes the bulb safer. Now you can see it's on, off, on, off. Whoops. So the original switch was up here, and somebody added this switch. So that's how you replace a switch, and I'll see you in the next vid. Peace.